Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to join the Azure Latch Discord server step by step. This process is simple and works on both mobile and desktop devices. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google's. In the search bar, type Azure Latch Discord server invite and press enter. From the search results, look for the official link or website that contains the Discord invite. Usually it will say something like join the Azure Latch Discord or official Azure Latch server. Click on that link. It will redirect you to the Discord invite page. If you already have Discord installed and logged in, you'll see the server's name and logo along with a button that says accept invite or join server. Tap or click accept invite and you'll be added to the Azure Latch community right away. If you don't have a Discord account yet, Discord will first ask you to sign up or log in. You can sign up quickly using your email address or phone number. The Azure Latch server has a large and active community, so joining gives you access to tons of discussions, updates, and helpful members who share the latest information every day. Once you're inside the server, take a moment to read the welcome or rules channel. Most servers require you to react to a message or click a button to verify that you've read the rules before you can access the other channels. After verification, you'll be able to explore all the channels, including discussion areas, announcements, and support sections. You can chat with other members, ask questions, and get the latest updates about Azure Latch. That's it. You've now successfully joined the Azure Latch Discord server. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe for more helpful guides.